Human beings have always had a deep connection with architecture. From the awe-inspiring pyramids of ancient Egypt to the soaring cathedrals of medieval Europe, architecture has been a vessel for expressing our beliefs, values, and aspirations. Today, as we face unprecedented environmental and social challenges, architecture has a vital role to play in shaping a better future for humanity. At the Utopian and Sacred Architecture Studies Conference, we'll explore the ways in which architecture can inspire and facilitate positive change. We'll look at how visionary architects are incorporating sustainable materials, green technologies, and community-oriented design into their work. We'll also delve deeper, examining the spiritual and metaphysical dimensions of architecture. How can sacred spaces be promoting healing, mindfulness, and well-being? What can we learn from ancient wisdom and traditions about the role of architecture in connecting us to the natural world and to each other? Join us from the 22nd to the 24th of November in collaboration with the University of Pisa as we explore these questions and more. The Utopian and Sacred Architecture Studies Conference will feature talks from leading architects, scholars, and practitioners, as well as opportunities for networking and collaboration. For contributing authors, we're pleased to offer the chance for your paper to be published by Springer in the Scopus Indexed ASTI book series. Thank you.